How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Instagram messages for everyone and clear chats step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Instagram tutorials. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your direct messages by tapping the message icon at the bottom. Open the chat where you want to delete messages. Then tap and hold the message and select Unsend to delete the Instagram message from both sides. And this will permanently remove the message for everyone in the conversation. So now let's talk about the second big question people ask. Can you delete all Instagram chats at once? Well, here's the honest truth. Right now on Instagram, there is no official option to delete all chats at once. Not in personal accounts and not even in professional accounts. Yeah, you might have seen videos showing a select multiple chats option, but here's what's actually going on. Some of those videos are from test features that were only available to a small number of users temporarily, or from older and beta versions of Instagram. In some cases, they're even edited clips or third-party tools, so it's not something stable or available for everyone. So even if it appears in a video, it's not a reliable feature you can use today. Now, here's what you can do instead. If you want to delete chats, you have to do it one by one. Just go to your DMs, tap and hold a conversation, tap delete, and repeat the process for each chat. Yeah, it's manual, but that's the only safe and official way on Instagram right now. And that's it. That's how you can delete Instagram messages and manage your chats properly.